Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 not walking up from sleeping. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is power cfg space minus h space off and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, type a edit power plan. Open up edit power plan, go to your change advanced of power settings, scroll down, find out a PCI expect and expand it, select a link state power management and expand it, and make sure that its settings is off. So off it, click an OK button and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a registry editor. Open registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, select the HKey local machine and expand it. Select the system and expand it. After that, select the current control set and expand it. After doing this test, select a control and expand it. After doing test, go down and find out a power. Now here is a power. Select it, and in this, right click, click on a new, click on a default 32-bit value and set a name as C is a capital, S is a small, E is a capital, enabled. So type a CS enabled, open it and set a value data is 0. Click OK button, and after doing this set, close the registry editor, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.